Okay, so what we're looking at right now is a two-bedroom option from the Maple at Verdant Towers. So welcome. So as you enter the unit, you are greeted by a U-shaped kitchen. So this is your fridge area, your microwave, sink, then that would be your oven, range hood, and cooking area. Then you have a counter which can serve as your bar or dining table, extension of the kitchen. Then right across the kitchen from the entry would be the staff quarters. So if you have kasambahay, driver, house helpers, nanny, they can stay here. And this is also the section for the washer and dryer area. This staff quarters also has its own half toilet and bath or toilet and bath area. So sink, shower, and toilet for the staff quarters. If you don't employ house helpers, this can easily be an extension of your pantry or your storage supplies, and can be an office or washer dryer area, and so on and so forth. This can also be the section for your toilet and bath for guests. And as you proceed from the kitchen counter, you have your living room and dining area stretching all the way to the balcony. So this is an east-facing unit. Right now, we are facing east. This is the school campus by CCF. That's the Christ Commission Fellowship Mega Church. The Glaston Tower, brand new office tower, corporate office. Then the entire Ortigas East Master Plan stretching alongside C5 or Libis. So we now go back to the unit. This would be the suggested placement for your split type air conditioning unit. As we enter, going to the rooms, you are greeted by a hallway. And first door on the right would be the secondary bedroom. So the secondary bedroom comes with its own cabinet. And the secondary bedroom will also have its own balcony. Okay. Okay. So looking into the unit again. There. You go back to the hallway. Across the secondary room is a secondary toilet and bath. So welcome. It's the sink, toilet, and full shower. Then we enter the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You'll notice a difference in the layout or in the design through the floor-to-ceiling windows. As this is a corner two-bedroom unit, you have two sides for your view and cross light and air ventilation. So now the difference with the master bedroom, of course, this would be the placement for your split-type air conditioning. Then you now have your own walk-in closet, stretching all the way into your master toilet and bath. So welcome. So you have a window here, your sink, full shower area. All right.